In this video I will show you how to create new pieces from scratch. First, we will have a look how to construct a rectangular piece. We will use for this the function create piece from rectangle. In this window you can directly enter the piece name. You have the possibility to select a color for the piece. The piece will be displayed in this individual color only if you have the necessary settings for this in the menu display. I will show you later how to do that. You have the possibility to select the grade rule table the piece should get assigned. The system makes you a proposal. If you have other pieces on screen, the system will propose the names of the grade rule tables they have. If not, you will get the name of your standard grade rule table displayed. In both cases you have the possibility to select another table by clicking on the three dots. The sample size of the selected table will be automatically assigned to the pieces. Click on OK. Click the first corner of the piece. Move the cursor and either click the position for the second corner or press the spacebar and indicate the dimensions required for the piece. Click on OK or press Enter. The piece is created. The piece name, its grade rule table and its size appear in the object properties at the bottom right of the screen. This function create piece from rectangle runs in a continuing loop. You can create the next piece directly afterwards. If you don't want to create another piece, you can cancel the function by clicking on Cancel or by using the key Escape. In order to see all pieces on screen, use the function Zoom All or click the hotkey A. I now activate the display of the pieces with individual colors in the menu display so that my new pieces are displayed in the colors I have indicated. Now let's have a look how to construct a piece by using the function create piece from arc. Like for the previous function, you can enter a name for the piece. You can indicate in this window the angle for the piece, the length of the inner arc and the piece length. When you click on one indication, the small picture with the piece is changed so that you can check the shape of the piece which will be created or so that you can visualize the lines corresponding to the required dimensions. You can let the system create a reference point corresponding to the center of the created arc. You have the possibility to select a color for the piece. You can select the grade rule table the piece should get. The piece will get the sample size of the table as basic size. Click on OK or press Enter. The created piece sticks to the cursor and you can place it where you want on screen with the left mouse button. This function runs in a continuing loop. You can create the next piece directly afterwards. If you don't want to create another piece, you can cancel the function by clicking on Cancel or by using the key Escape. Here this is the center point we decided to create. If you are not used to work with the individual colors, change the display of the color back to the option piece color so that you are not confused by practicing or by learning with further tutorials.